afternoon, and as we approach Oshit Corner for the first time on this new trike, seems to be a decent day. We did have a little bit of a hiccup with the paperwork, but that was sorted out in a matter of minutes. So I successfully taxed this new trike. But unfortunately, rather than the £117 a year for the other two trikes, for some reason this one is £360 a year. Ow! Still, never mind. Let's get on with it. So far, it seems to be riding very well indeed, which is always good in my book. A little bit of motorway, the M6, then onto the M5, and at 60 mile an hour this trike is doing just a shade under 2000 revs, so that seems pretty good. Right, let's have a little walk around. There it is. It's a Boom, made in Germany. It's a Boom Mustang, and the model is the Big Bull edition, whatever that means. It's leading link forks, so it's a bit weird when you brake because the front end rises, but it's not a problem. It's certainly comfortable enough. All I need to do now is put a few miles on it and I see how we get on. Well, well, would you look at that? It's Pete on his Enfield, on his way home from work. Unfortunately, due to Forge Lane being closed, I had to sit in the diversion at 3:15, which means traffic. Anyway, it's a good test to see how the trike behaves in traffic. There you go, down the outside, one of the drawbacks to riding a trike. Still, can't have everything. And it's back round Oshit Corner. First impressions, very good. I think I'm going to like this machine. It's a little bit shinier than most of the stuff I ride, but we'll endeavour to try and keep it that way. Well, that could be famous last words. And when I got back, the good news is somebody wants Dot, and they're going to repair it and reuse it as a trike, which in my book is marvellous, excellent. So it will be Dot's last ride tomorrow when I ride it up the A41 to its new owner, and hopefully in the future I'll get to see exactly what they've done with it, and I've got to admit I am looking forward to that. So I suppose until the next time, see you later.